Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video we will discuss few topics. We will be organize small home garden at home. Before starting a video, please subscribe my channel. Let's move to our today topic. First option is set up a gardening station. Create a spot dedicated to potting and trimming your outdoor plants. And the best part, this table is made from a few galvanized barrels and an old wooden door. Second is build a pallet garden. Attach clay pots to a pallet with nails and stainless steel cable ties for a living art display that keeps your rosemary and basil at the ready. Space out the pots so your plants have room to grow. Next is fill a pergola with greens. Grow your garden vertically by trailing plants up the sides of a pergola fence or outdoor wall. English white potatoes and Russian vines are a few great choices. Next, crop colorful plants markers. Keep your garden organized so harvesting remains quick and easy. Craft your own plants makers using wooden paints, sticks, and some acrylic paint. Added bonus, this is the perfect craft for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is mix is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for drab furniture. The bigger the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn colanders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored colanders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here, interior designer Tori Robinson sticks with terracotta pots, but you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical herb garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river or outdoor area to life. Turn colanders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored colanders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here, interior designer Tori Robinson sticks with terracotta pots, but you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical herb garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note 1: only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space-saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail free fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fairy garden. Think small, really small with this adorable project, outfitted with a mini birdhouse, rustic stones, and teeny tiny accessories. This planter is a fun craft to make these kids hang outdoor lighting, elevate any outdoor gathering with globe staring lights, whether you choose to hang them on a fence or under pergola. Repurpose shutters, lean lowers old or new, against an exterior wall and fill slots with hardy plants such as succulents or mosses. Succulents are nearly indestructible but can get scorched in direct sunlight, so put them on the shady side of your home. Use a bird bath as a succulent garden. Hardy succulents which store water in their stems and leaves will thrive in a shallow bird bath perch. Add pebbles to hold more moisture in the soil. Make the most of combining planting. Placing flowers and veggies together in the same beds does not just save space, it will help boost your yields and keep plants happy by attracting more pollinators. To create contrast with terracotta pots transformed in expensive galvanized steel washtubs into planters. This long low oval vision with daring drainage holes pocket in the bottom shows off a basil core. Fill furniture with plants. This clever table worked hard for your yard. Not only is it a neat way to showcase plants, but it's also a nice spot to place your book as you sip lemonade. And the end of this video, please guys, subscribe my channel and leave a comment for our better guideline. Watching a full video, thank you so much, god bless you. In mind, you will need an array of items to keep fish alive, like a pump and filter. Stay organized with plant makers, from tomatoes and cucumber to jalapeno peppers. Make sure you know exactly where your fruits and veggies are plotted with plant makers. Choose a sunny setup. Before building a garden, keep in mind that most vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, at least 6 hours of sun per day. Heartily design carefully considers the needs to each plant and chooses to use a mix of raised garden beds and planting directly into the garden. Everything you need to know about starting a vegetable garden. Transform a side yard. Use stake braids to establish a garden in one area of the yard, ideally the side closer to your property's edge. Bring in mulch and stones, then let trees and shrubs flourish. Guys, beautiful backyard decor ideas to create and outdoor houses. Make the most of tiny spaces. If all you have got in is a small patio, use potted plants and trailing vines or to breathe life into the space. The end result is incredibly charming. Add grass, stepping stones. You might not have a huge lawn, but that does not mean you cannot enjoy a bite of grass, even if it's fox. These fox grass stepping stones are inexpensive to make on your own. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like and leave a comment for our better guideline. Grow a lettuce green wall. Obsessed with lettuce for an unexpected touch to your garden. Let the pattern set the foundation for a green wall. Accent with a wind chime. Instantly elevate a small garden space with a beautiful birdhouse wind chime like designer Cat Annie does here. Not only will it draw birds to your yard, it will create a shooting sound in the process. Fill a tray with plants. This metal table, originally intended for serving drinks, now overflows with Irish moss and succulents on a patio. Grow a cocktail garden. You guessed it. A cocktail garden is a space designated to growing ingredients for delicious drinks. Go for herbs like mint, basil, and sage, as well as fruits and veggies such as strawberries, cherries, and peppers. And guys, at the end of this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and leave a comment for our better guideline for watching a full video. Thank you so much.